And we are back here live at the University of Nueva Cáceres Sports Palace para sa ating South Luzon Championship Games, NCF Tigers versus the University of Batangas. South Luzon qualifier rather. At ayun na nga, Burns, tingnan muna natin ano ba yung nangyari during the first half. Paano ba nakuha ng Brahmans ang kalamangan kontra sa ating NCF Tigers. When it comes to their field goals, hindi naman nagkakalayuan. Nakita naman natin, dikit ang scoreboard natin. Nagtapos ang ating second period, 36-37. Pero napakalaki ang turnovers committed by the NCF Tigers. They committed 24 turnovers. At doon nakabawi ang ating Brahmans. Why? Because of their points of turnovers. Napakalaki nun. 20 points galing sa turnovers ng NCF Tigers.
Kailangan nilang maayos to ngayong second half. Mga unforced errors ng ating Tigers, kailangan nilang bawasan dito kung gusto nilang makuha ulit ang kalamangan dito. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, there's a foul called on Sablaon here. And I think 3 shots dito para kay Briones.
Briones, yes. And kanina, before the clutch point ni Briones kanina,
on the line here is Briones.
Yung napansin ko lang kanina, first half, nagtitimplahan pa ang ating dalawang kupunan.
Yes, partner.
When it comes to the defense, paano ba babantayan ang bawat isa? They are still studying the skills, the capacities, and of course, the strategies ng both teams. Tingnan natin ngayong third and fourth quarter kung makaka-adjust na ba ng tuluyan ang ating dalawang kupunan.
Kasi this is the first time that they faced each other talaga, kaya subukan pa lang sila ng first half, pero ito na. On to the second half we go. Sablaon goes inside, layup, no good, put back by Sablaon, that's good. And to give us an update on the side of the Tigers kung ano ang kaganapan sa halftime, tawagin natin si Kim for the update. Kim?
Well, thank you, Burns and Russell. A combination of first half analysis and style of play alterations became the core of the halftime dugout ng ating NCF Tigers. After racking points recovery down the second quarter, the NCF Tigers understand that the real deal is just getting started as the Brahmans are showing tight defense, causing them turnovers and stealing their chances to shoot. Kaya naman sa halftime huddle, the Tigers were reminded na maging maingat sa pagpasa. Relax lang, pero kailangan mas mabilis at mas alerto, lalo na sa mga gwardya ng kabilang kupunan. Do not be mainly offensive-minded, bagkos pumokos muna sa depensa. Sa hiwalay na pag-uusap ng mga players, analysis of mishaps at wake-up call rin ang naganap with Malyapre, Lim, and Sablaon asserting to not work for themselves but for the team and for the school. Focus, bawi, and communicate. That's it for now. Back to you, Burns and Russell.
Salamat, Kim, from that side of the Tigers. And totoo nga naman talaga na nakita rin ni Coach Momo na maganda yung depensang pinapakita dito ng Batangas. So kailangan talaga nilang mag-step up dito and mag-ingat to not make any more unforced errors. Pero ayan, Ariate gets that steal. Layup for him is good. 2 points dito. Lamang ang Tigers. 1 point.
And speaking ng pag-aralan ng depensa, yun nga, nakakuha ng steal doon si Ariate. De Ramos, far sa 3. Offensive rebound. De Guzman.
El Capitan with the ball hit dito. Lamang ngayon ang Batangas. Sablaon na 3. No good. Malyapre. Binigay sa kalaban.
De Ramos one-on-one with Lim. Andiyan na si Arenzana. Still get that ball. Perez on the top of the key uses that ball screen. Perez for the floor shot. Chares off. De Guzman for a putback. At ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang update sa side ng University of Batangas. Hi, Ja, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Mga kaibigan, ang Batanggenyos nga ay tinapos tuli ang second quarter na lamang kontra kabilang kupunan. Ito ay binigyan ni jersey number 33 na si Briones ng 3 puntos para magkaroon ng 1 puntos na lamang. During the huddle, pinaalala ng mga coaches na kada magbibigay sila ng maganda na basket ay kailangan agad mapalitan ng rebound. Dagdag pa nito na huwag magbigay ng 4 shot, hindi magbigay ito ng magandang play dahil sayang ang oportunidad kung wala namang kasiguraduhan na makakakuha ito ng puntos. Yun lamang update dito sa side ng University of Batangas. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Chanel, sa napagang update sa side ng ating Brahmans. And ang nakuha ko lang doon sa update from the dugout, they have to execute the play properly para hindi masayang ang mga opportunity na binibigay sa loob ng hardcourt. Back to the ball game tayo, under 6 minutes and 17 seconds. 3-point lead ang hawak ng Brahmans. At ball possession nila ngayon. Karot sa'yo, Gigi and Aika Peña, happy viewing. At tatawagan ng throwing violation dito ang University of Batangas.
Ball possession ngayon ng Tigers. El Capitan will inbound the ball dito. Lim, nahanap niya dito si San Gabriel. Turnover dito, bola ngayon ng Batangas.
Turnover sa side ng Tigers, bola ngayon ng Brahmans. De Ramos finding Briones. Beautiful crossover move there. Perez kicks this out to Villares. Fakes. Nice feed to Perez for 2.
Lim ngayon may dala ng bola into the hands of Ariate. Ariate. Passes to Brito, open for 3. That's good. 3-pointer para kay Brito. 2-point lead na lang. Hawak ngayon ng Batangas.
Villares. Briones now. Villares. Step back. Extra pass to the Guzman for 3. That's good. Revenge 3-pointer.
Binawian din ng Batangas yung Tigers. Ariate now with the ball. Humingi ng screen. Ariate spins. Passes to the outside. El Capitan to San Gabriel. That's good!
Umuulan mga kaibigan ng Tres dito sa UNC Sports Palace.
Magpayong na kayo mga kaibigan.
Brahmans
umuulan.
up by 2.
Ball possession here by the Tigers. Nice interception by Ariate. Pero last touch dito ng Batangas.
Torres and Ortiz.
Ariate.
Pasok sa hard court.
San Gabriel with the ball here. Into the hands of Lim. Lim humingi ng screen. Balik kay Arenzana. That's good! Long 2-pointer para kay Arenzana doon. Stepping into the line. Sayang nung 3-point attempt na yon.
Sayang. Sunod-sunod na sana. Konting step lang. Pero tatawagan doon ng foul. Si Arenzana. We have a tie ball game here. That clock 52. Torres will inbound the ball.
Offensive foul there. Called on number 44, Villarez. Ball possession ngayon ng Tigers. San Gabriel to Arenzana. 10 seconds to shoot here. Arenzana passes to San Gabriel. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Turnover ulit para kay San Gabriel.
Unforced error there by San Gabriel. Torres. Pass to Perez. Transition play. That's good.
Arenzana. Ariate pala. Lim, layup. No good. Natapik doon pero nailabas pa ni Lim yung bola. Ball possession ngayon.
Brahmans up by 2. Quick shoutout tayo from Mayo Kiyokawa. Go Bang Sablaon. Happy viewing po. Lim from a steal. No good. Tapos to Villarez. Tatawagin ito ng foul si Breto. At nasa penalty situation na ang ating University of Batangas. Para sa ating FB viewers, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page. And at this point, Pccl is presented to you by NAGA College Foundation Incorporated, Converge ICT Solution, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, 3N Bakery, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Gold Glupa Construction, Replica Printing Services, Mayon Avenue, Biteswag Catering Services, Pacific Cross Philippines, and Bihag Burger, Saling Manok House of Lechon, and Winner Kitchen, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF Driving School, AAT Odds, NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, and Wow Worlds of Water. Thank you very much to our sponsors. Back to the ball game tayo. Brahmans up by 3. Ortiz on the line. Shot is off. Beautiful steal there by Ortiz. Another foul committed by Brito. Once again, Ortiz will step on the line. We have substitution here. Bank Sablaon and Rivera. And from the Brahmans, Briones papasok sa ating hard court. Para sa ating FB viewers, you only have 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Sablaon, lefty layup is off.
2 minutes, 31 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Lamang ng 3 ang Batangas.
Ortiz now making his move. Asking for a ball screen here. Ortiz kicks this out to Torres for 3.
Tigers on the offense here. Laresma to Sablaon. Sablaon goes inside. Floater pero may traveling violation na tinawag ang ating referee dito.
Ball possession ngayon ng ating Brahmans. Ortiz napakabilis. Tatawag ng play dito si Ortiz. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. De Guzman.
That's a steal by Lim. Fast break sila dito. Sablaon. Easy 2-pointer para sa kanya. 1 point lead na lang ang Batangas.
Torres for 3.
Laresma with the ball. Stops and pass on the mid-range. No good. Nakuha pa nila ang bola. Lim. Layup. No good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots dito para kay Lim. Foul called on number 19.
Foul called kay Torres. Jersey number 19. First attempt is off para kay Lim, the team captain of the NCF Tigers.
Second shot to tie the game. That's good.
Deadlock tayo, 55, Briones. De Guzman kicks out to De Ramos for 3.
That's a 3-pointer. 3-point lead ngayon. Hawak ng Batangas. Lim. Layup. That's good.
Torres under 45 seconds remaining time. Perez. Makakakuha ng foul doon si Perez and he will step on the line. A chance to extend their lead. 1 point lead para sa ating Brahmans. First shot is off. Second shot is good para kay Perez. 33 seconds remaining time.
Sablaon to Lim. Intercepted. Bola ngayon ng Tigers. 2-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng Batangas. Lim to inbound the ball. Gets to his teammate. Laresma mid-range. No good.
Torres finding De Guzman. That classic shot clock is off. De Ramos.
Rebound there by Rivera. Laresma with the ball. Laresma to the corner. Sablaon. No good. Putback by Rivera. Wala pa rin. Another putback. Sablaon layup. That's good. Tie ball game at the end of the third quarter. 59-59. Mga kaibigan, magbabalik po ang South Luzon Pccl qualifiers for your fourth and final quarter.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa ating South Luzon qualifier, the Philippine Collegiate Champions League. First period, last and fourth quarter na tayo mga kaibigan. And deadlock tayo. Sorry, 59-58. 1 point lead ng ating NCF Tigers. Perez finding the Ramos. Kicks out to the Guzman. Nice block there.
Bola ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Sablaon, no good sa kanyang layup. Out of bounds, bola pa rin ng Batangas.
You only have 20 seconds to shoot, mga kaibigan. Si Ramos. Pass to the Guzman.
That's a steal by Maliapre. Ariate going inside. Floater, masyadong malakas. That's gonna be an offensive foul on Ariate.
That's the third personal foul of Ariate. Si Guzman, i-discarte ngayon.
Another steal hill para Maliapre. Lim, layup. That's good, plus a foul. Chance for a 3-point play para kay El Capitan.
Umuupo sa ere si Lim.
Makita natin sa ating instant replay yung napakagandang layup dito ni El Capitan. Grabe. Going coast to coast from that steal by Maliapre. This time, his completion of the third 3-point play is good.
Sa bola ngayon ng ating Brahmans. Another steal ni Maliapre. I think Lim is hurt.
Lim, El Capitan is still on the ground here. He is in pain. And I think the officials will review the play kanina na nangyari. Medics ngayon is on the hard court checking to see if Lim is okay.
I-review ng ating officials. I think that's a hard foul from the UB. I hope Lim is okay. And he is still down. Kita natin sa ating instant replay. Ayun nga. Hindi sa bola tumama.
Oo, partner.
Yung tapik na yon. Pero syempre, yung intensyon naman ay sa bola. Yun nga lang ay nahagip.
Ulo yung natamaan.
Nahagip yung
Oo.
ang ulo ni Lim.
Pero okay naman dito si Lim. Medyo na ano lang talaga yung kanyang mata. Kaya slow to recover siya dito. And to give us an update on the side of Team Batangas, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle. Hi Janelle, ano ang update?
Last quarter and the tension is on. Nagtapos ang ikatlong quarter na lamang ang kabilang kupunan. Pero during the huddle ay pinalakas ng mga coaches ang load ng players para mabawasan ng pressure ng players. Dagdag pa nito na kailangan nilang ibuhos kung ano ang mga kaya nila para makuha ang panalo ngayong gabi. Yun lamang update dito sa side ng University of Batangas. Balik sa inyo.
On the side of University of Batangas. Ball possession ngayon dito ng ating Tigers. Templo Nuevo passes to the corner. It's gonna be out of bounds. Bola ngayon ng Batangas.
And we have a timeout called by the University of Batangas. 8 minutes and 33 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter. 58-63. 5-point lead ang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers. Tutok lang dito sa Pccl South Luzon Qualifier only here at Yelin Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Head back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan. Live na live tayo dito sa UNC Sports Palace. And shout out to our FB viewers. Don't forget to share and like our Facebook page. Bola pa rin ng Brahmans here. Briones. Tatawangin doon ng foul si Sablaon. That's his third personal foul of Sablaon. Torres will inbound the ball, finding Ortiz. Perez. Oh good. Kalawit rebound doon ni Villares. Makakakuha ng foul ni Vilsap on the line to make his bonus shots. That's the fourth personal foul of Ariate. And habang mag-free throw si Villares, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng NCF Tigers. Hi Kim, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Yes, Burns and Russell, a massive swing of the score pendulum continues in the game as the Tigers try to break the hard defense of the Brahmans. Now keeping the ship afloat for the last period, the Tigers will continue asserting suffocating defense to impede the offensive shots of the Brahmans, especially beyond the arc. Bawi, bawi. Yan ang malakas na sigaw ng mga Tigre pabalik ng court, aiming to elevate their performance sa huling bugso ng laro. Ani ni Coach Momo, momentum na natin kaya huwag nating sayangin ang ating pinaghirapan. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Burns and Russell.
Maraming salamat, Kim, sa update sa side ng NCF Tigers.
Katamora ngayon with the ball. Passes to Malyapre. That's a steal.
Ortiz now. Beautiful steal by Ortiz. Beautiful crossover move here. Torres from the corner. Babalik kay Perez from the top of the key. Too strong. Pero nandun si Villares to get the defensive rebound. Number 19 once again for 3. Briones. At papatawag ng timeout doon si Coach Momo ng NCF Tigers. 7 minutes and 29 seconds left. 1 point lead na lang ang kalamangan ng ating Brahmans. Magbabalik po kami. We are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace.
Templo Nuevo with the ball. Passes to Lim. Into that. So Malyapre balik kay Templo Nuevo. Templo Nuevo goes inside. Layup. That's a block.
What a rejection there by Perez. Torres for 3!
Lim with the ball. Goes inside. Layup. That's good.
Grabe yung tira na yon. Ni Lim. Ortiz. Torres, bounce pass. To Briones.
Lim with the steal. Fast break. 2-on-3. Fast break dito. Lim. Floater. No good. Pero may foul.
Lim. A chance to tie the ball game. First shot is good para kay Lim. Shoutout sa'yo, Tito Son. Happy viewing. Dead clock, 67 tayo. Ortiz.
Malyapre with the steal, fast break. Layup, beautiful layup there by Malyapre.
Kanina pa to si Malyapre. Hindi ko na mabilang ang steal ni Malyapre. Lamang na ngayon ang Tigers. Torres, Briones. Villares. Step back 3.
Fast break dito. Lim with the ball. Malyapre. That's a steal by Villares.
Ortiz, one-on-one kay Ariate. Nabitawan yung bola. Beautiful trapping defense there. Torres. Pero andon si De Ramos for a putback.
Tie ball game tayo dito ulit mga kaibigan. Sablaon with the ball. Passes to Lim. Lim dito may dala ng bola. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim spins. Floater. No good. Out of bounds. Bola ulit ng Tigers.
Jadi papasok na dito si De Guzman. One of the key player ng ating Brahmans.
Lim naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Arenzana. Into the hands of Sablaon. Palik kay Lim. 10 seconds to shoot. Malyapre. Malyapre, that's a block.
And make clarifications. And I think the officials will review what happened yung sa play na yon. And abang nireview ng ating referee, quick shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout galing kay King Cueto, shoutout kay Kuya Ivan Orlina from Jedibal. Shoutout po kay Jonas Christian Cornejo. Bing Rodrigo, shoutout sa iyo, and shoutout din kay Christian Hernandez. Pinapa-shoutout si Jetro Villa Vicencio, and kay Nick Heraldino. Shoutout kay Marlon Avias Casilao. The ball possession. ...21 seconds to shoot. Bola ngayon ng ating Brahmans. Villares. Sa tawagan ng foul doon si Malyapre. Perez. Arenzana. There's a miscommunication here. Out of bounds. Unforced error para sa ating Brahmans.
Ariate ngayon may dala ng bola. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Sablaon. Sablaon goes inside. Layup, that's good.
De Guzman. Atake. Pero makakakuha ng foul doon si De Guzman. Yung kanina pa to nakakakuha ng foul. Inside the painted area. De Guzman, the scoring machine ng ating University of Batangas, is on the line making his free throws. First shot is good. Cutting the lead to 1. 4 minutes and 23 seconds left sa ating fourth and final quarter. And shout out kay Caitlin San Jose and kay Joe Mamagno. Happy viewing. A deadlock. 71.
Ariate ngayon may dala ng bola. Opensa ngayon ng Tigers. Tie ball game tayo dito mga kaibigan. Lim, floater, no good. Ariate saves that ball. Lalabas ang bola, that's gonna be a turnover.
Out of bounds para sa NCF Tigers. Villares. De Guzman kicks out to Perez, finding De Ramos. Swing to Torres for 3. Too strong.
Arenzana gets that rebound into the hands of El Capitan. El Capitan here working his way, passes to Sablaon. Ngayon kay Malyapre. Malyapre goes inside. Layup! No good, pero may 2 shots dito si Malyapre.
Malyapre is on the line. A chance to take the lead.
First shot ni Malyapre is good.
Pinasiguro doon
Oo,
ni
partner.
Malyapre.
Kailangan
Why
nilang
not
may
naman?
panalo
Nandun
dito.
naman, di ba?
Oo.
Andun na yung, meron na tayong glass. Gamitin na. Wise play there by Malyapre.
Second shot, no good.
Unfortunately, that second shot, hindi pumasok ni Ramos. Torres. Heavily guarded by Ariate. Balik kay De Ramos. 10 seconds to shoot. De Ramos.
That's a steal. Sablaon with the ball here. That's another steal by Batangas.
Torres. Pupukol ang 3. Torres.
No good. Ariate with that rebound. Chill lang daw, sabi ni El Capitan sa kanyang point guard. Ariate. Humingi ng screen dito, Ariate. Passes to Sablaon. Sablaon to Malyapre. Malyapre spins. That's a foul called by the referee. 2 shots dito para kay Malyapre.
Nice move there by Malyapre. That's the third personal foul of Villares. Once again, Malyapre is on the line.
Two-point lead ngayon sa Tigers. 2 minutes, 45 seconds remaining. Second shot ni Malyapre is good. 3-point lead na.
2 minutes and 45 seconds left. Ang kaibigan, De Guzman. Beautiful defense there by the Tigers.
Ariate. Gandang depensa ang pinapakita dito. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Humingi ng screen dito. Ariate spins. Toss it to the outside. Lim, mid-range, no good.
Rebounded by De Ramos. Muntik ka ng steal doon ni Malyapre. $20 to shoot. De Ramos, didiskarte dito. Briones. Makakakuha ng foul down si Briones. At nasa penalty situation na rin ang ating Brahmans. Kailangan to ng Brahmans ngayon. Cutting the lead to 2. First attempt is good by Briones. Perfect from the line. 1-point lead.
Sablaon with the ball. Passes to Malyapre. To Ariate. Last 2 minutes dito mga kaibigan. Ariate. Lalabas ang bola to Malyapre. Malyapre may sumabay na isa. Goes inside. Floater, that's good.
Malyapre taking over the fourth quarter. Three-point lead ang hawak ng Tigers. Perez finding De Ramos. Torres for 3. That's good!
Tie ball game mga kaibigan. 1 minute 33 seconds remaining. Lim with the ball. Passes to Sablaon. Sablaon to Arenzana. Arenzana fakes. Layup, that's good.
Nice move there by Arenzana. Bola ngayon ng ating Brahmans. Perez. Finding Torres. Torres once again.
No good. Rebound dito ni Ariate. Ariate nagmamadali dito. 1 minute. Dito sa ball game nito. Lim goes inside. Extra pass. That's a steal.
Steal by De Ramos. 1-1 to Malyapre. Beautiful feed to Briones.
Grabe ang pinapakita dito ng Batangas. Tie ball game here with 45 seconds remaining sa ating laro partner. Intense ang matchup na ito.
Napaka-intense. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Ang South Luzon qualifiers ay hindi basta-basta.
Nakatayo na ang crowd dito ng NCF, mga supporters nila. And syempre sa ating mga viewers, todo suporta kayo sa mga teams na sinusuportahan nyo. Malyapre to Sablaon, to Lim.
Shoutout sa ating 1,000 viewers.
Ariate goes inside. Spins. Out of bounds. Batangas ball. Chance here to take the lead para sa Batangas. Ngunit tatawag ng timeout dito ang Batangas, mga kaibigan. Makikita natin dito sa ating instant replay kung bakit ball possession ng Batangas dito.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace. 25 seconds remaining. Brahmans ball possession. A chance to take the lead. 10 seconds to shoot. Torres. 5 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Too strong. That's a 24 shot clock violation na itatawag sa ating Brahmans. At napatawag ng timeout ang NCF Tigers dito. 9 seconds remaining time. Mga kaibigan, huwag na huwag kayong kukurap. Tutok lang dito. Tingnan natin sa ating instant replay. Torres. Ayun, nadulas dun si Torres. Nasa sa NCF Tigers ngayon ang ball possession. How will they execute their play? Pero alam kong handa-handa ang Brahmans to defend. And they will not let the NCF Tigers score. Let's see. Ano ba ang mangyayari sa natitirang 9 seconds ng ating fourth and final quarter? Kahapon, ganito rin yung nangyari.
Yes,
Sa
partner.
ating regional championship. The Golden Knights versus the Green Serpents.
Pero yan na, partner. Ariate to inbound the ball. Arenzana gets it. Sablaon. 5 seconds here. Sablaon, that's good! Sablaon with that buzzer. Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
Partner by Sablaon. Pero i-review ng mga referees kung counted nga ba yung shot na yon by Sablaon.
The referee will still review that last play. Kung may oras pa ba ang ating Brahmans. Beautiful play there. Bang Sablaon. Floater shot. Uses the glass.
Counted yung bola. That means NCF Tigers wins this matchup against the University of Batangas. Final score 80-78. Good game. Well played to both teams, partner. What an amazing ball game and an amazing finish. And a clutch performance by Bang Sablaon.
Napakaganda nga ng performance si Bang Sablaon ngayon. And I think yun rin yung play na ginawa ni Coach Momo
Yes, partner. And
para sa ating NCF Tigers. Pero congratulations pa rin sa ating University of Batangas Brahmans sa napakagandang laro
yes,
na
partner.
binigay sa atin. Ito nga, sabi ko, ito yung tunay na spirito ng ating South Luzon qualifier.
Oo. Pero don't go anywhere, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po kami para ipakilala sa inyo ang best player of the game.
Mga kaibigan, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Pccl South Luzon Championship kung saan panalo po ang NCF Tigers kontra the University of Batangas Brahmans. And now, joining us is our best player of the game, brought to you by NCF Gas and Sports Truck, your free senior high school in Bicol. We have Jersey 22, Bang Sablaon, racking up 15 points, 4 rebounds, and 1 steal. Bang! Congratulations! It was indeed a tough game against the University of Batangas. Anong masasabi mo sa ipinakita nilang depensa, and how did you adjust your game in order to overcome their tactics?
First of all, thank you kay Lord. Kagabi pa, actually nung araw pa ako nagpe-pray na sana Lord, ibigay niyo sa amin to, and wala, the course of the game. The course of the game lang.
Shoutout kay Vincent Malya, pre.
Grabe! Hindi matatawaran yung puso ng kalaban namin, and props sa kanila. And sa team ko na hindi ako pinabayaan, throughout nag-struggle ako. Pero nandyan si coach, lalo si coach na pinupush niya ako na mag-deliver. So, ayun, awan ng Diyos nangyari, and yun, happy lang ako nangyari yun, and thank you Lord, thank you.
The team deserves this naman talaga, Bang. And actually, di ba kagabi, kakatapos lang ng huling regional game kagabi, pero nandito na kayo, nagpa-practice na agad. And kanina, grabe rin yung pag-motivate mo sa iyong mga kakampi, and nagbunga rin lahat. Eto, Bang, unang laro, successful. Ang susunod ay sa Sabado. Ano ba ang kailangan gawin ng team para tuloy-tuloy ang starting momentum na ito dito sa PCCL?
Siguro tonight mag-enjoy kami, pero tomorrow rest, take care of our body para makapaglaro ng Saturday. So we'll see sa Saturday kung ano mangyayari.
Eto, Bang, I don't know if you're aware of this, pero marami ang umiidolo sa iyo pagdating sa basketball. Ano naman ang mensahe mo sa kanila at tips, lalo na sa mga nag-aspire maging basketball player katulad?
Ano lang, work hard. Continue to inspire others, and maging example kayo, and be a good example to teammates, leadership, yan. Yun lang.
Alright, Bang, syempre, alam ko marami kang gustong pasalamatan sa tagumpay na ito. Shoutout mo naman sila.
Shoutout po sa mga tropa ko sa Pulangi, lahat kayo, sa pamilya ko sa Manila, Lola, Lolo, Ate Andeng, Kuya Sam, sa Bulacan, mga pamilya ko doon, Kuya John Ray, sa Manila, lahat sa inyo sa Manila, binabati ko kayo. And especially yung pamilya ko na sinurprise ako nandito. Inspired din ako dahil sa kanila, and sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa NCF, kay Boss Mario na walang sa amin. NCF community, thank you for everything, and siyempre sa girlfriend ko, hi Mai.
Sure, for sure, proud na proud sila sa iyo, Bang, kasi akalain mo yon from Bukal hanggang dito pa rin sa PCCL, napaka-consistent mo, napaka-consistent ang hustle mo at pagpupursige pagdating sa inyong basketball games. Once again, congratulations to our best player of the game, Bang Sablaon, jersey number 22. Bang, good luck sa susunod na laban sa Sabado. Pwede ka na mag-celebrate kasama ang team. Alright, that's it for this game. Ako po si Kimberly Dialanes, of your courtside reporters, this PCCL South Luzon Championship. Now back to the broadcast panel.
Yan, yun yung partner. Congratulations sa ating best player of the game na si Bang Sablaon, gathering 15 points. 15 big points ang kinamada ni Bang Sablaon. Plus, yung napaka-crucial na last second clutch point na yon.
Saktong-sakto sa nickname niya, no, partner?
Oo,
Bang!
Bang Sablaon. Bang, bang, bang.
Two-pointer. Grabe, napakaganda, and kudos din talaga sa University of Batangas sa pag-showcase ng talent nyo ngayong araw.
Hindi rin basta-basta yung pinagdaan ng NCF Tigers. Nakita natin kung paano dumipensa. And of course, yung offense skills ng ating University of Batangas Brahmans talagang hindi rin matatawaran. And
Yes, partner.
aabangan natin muli sila.
Kaya mga kaibigan, this is all of the time that we have ngayong araw. Tutok kayo bukas para sa panibagong schedule ng ating 2023 South Luzon PCCL qualifiers. Ako nga ang inyong lingkod, si David Joshua Bernales.
At ako po si John Russell A. Senora ang nakasama nyo sa ating Game 2 ng ating PCCL South Luzon Qualifier. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon.